Hey, it's Deja from Online Success Made Simple. Welcome to Copywriting That Converts. Because let's be honest, ChatGPT won't sell for you, but it will help you sell better. Tonight is all about this. You already have the story, the heart, the receipts. You just need help saying it in a way that makes people go, "Oh wait, that's me." ChatGPT is not the star. You are the star. ChatGPT is just the assistant working overtime in the background. Most people hate selling because they think it means being pushy or fake. But real talk, good selling is just good explaining. You need to be clear enough so people get it, relatable enough so people feel it, direct enough so people know what to do next. ChatGPT is here to help you turn that jumble in your head into words that land in their chest. We're not manipulating people. We're communicating with people. By the time we're done, you should be able to say, "I can use AI to draft strong copy in minutes, not hours. I know how to create headlines and CTAs that actually get clicks. I can write offers that feel like, dang, were you in my living room?" Less time stuck in, how do I say this? More time in, wow, they're actually responding. That's the goal tonight. All right, here's the sauce. This little formula right here, it will change the way you write. Problem plus desire plus action equals conversion copy. Problem, what's really bothering them? Desire, what do they wish life looked like instead? Action, what's the next step you want them to take? If your copy doesn't touch what hurts, what they want, and what to do next, it's just words on a screen. We want words that move people. ChatGPT is smart, but it's not a mind reader. The magic happens when you get super specific. Ask yourself, who is this really for? What are they low-key scared of? What do they secretly want but maybe don't say out loud? Example, women over 50 who want to earn online but feel too old, too behind, and too tech challenged. Now that's a person. That's someone you can talk to like a human being. ChatGPT goes from generic AI to oh wow when you're this clear. Now let's let ChatGPT help us get in their feelings a little bit. Try this prompt. Here's my audience. Women over 50 who want extra income online but feel too old or too behind. List 10 of their biggest fears and 10 of their biggest desires. In one shot, you get their fears. What if I fail? What if I look stupid? Their desires. I want freedom, confidence, extra income, purpose. This is your gold. This is what makes your copy feel like, okay, are you talking to me personally? Now we're going to feed that formula straight into ChatGPT. Prompt it like this. Write 3 short social media posts using this formula. Problem plus desire plus action. Audience, women over 50 who want to earn online but feel too old. Tone, emotional, encouraging, and empowering. In each post with a clear call to action to comment, join, DM, click. Boom, you get 3 posts back. Your job? Pick the one that hits tweak the language so it sounds like you. Maybe add 1 line of your story. AI gives you the bones. You add the flavor. Here's a prompt you can literally steal tonight. Write ad copy for women over 50 who want to earn online but feel too old to start. Make it emotional and inspiring. Then you stack it with, use the problem plus desire plus action formula. Keep it under 200 words. Make it feel like a loving pep talk, not a hard sell. Now, instead of staring at a blank screen, you've got a full ad that's 80 to 90% there. All you got to do is polish and post. Let's talk headlines. Your first line is the bouncer at the door. If it doesn't do its job, nobody's coming in. Ask ChatGPT, write 10 scroll-stopping headlines for a Facebook post about offer topic. Audience, women over 50 who want to earn online. Make them emotional, clear, and under 12 words. You'll see things like, you're not too old to start earning online. Your age is your advantage, not your limitation. You, pick a few, change a word or two, make it sound extra you. Now, you've got front doors people actually want to walk through. This is the part where people get real awkward, the call to action. Remember, your CTA is not bothering people. It's you saying, if this spoke to you, here's your next step. Have ChatGPT help you. Give me 10 call to action options for this offer. Describe offer. Make them simple, warm, and low pressure. You'll get stuff like comment ready if this is your season. Send me a message with the word info. Click the link and take your first step today. Choose the ones that feel like your natural language. Soft, clear, and confident. That's the vibe. Now we put it all together into a mini sales post. Tell ChatGPT, write a short sales post for offer using this structure. Call out the audience, describe their problem, paint their desire, introduce the solution, add light social proof language, clear call to action. Audience, describe audience. Tone, like a caring friend who believes in them. What comes back? A whole post you don't have to start from scratch. Then you come in and swap in your real story. Add your real results or client examples. Change the wording so it sounds like you on your best, clearest day. That's when copy stops feeling AI-ish and starts feeling alive. Okay, let's talk receipts. Here's what I want you to do in the next 24 hours, not next month. Pick one offer you're promoting or planning to promote. Ask ChatGPT for 3 headline variations for that offer. Ask it to write one short sales post under your favorite headline. Then you add a quick story from your life, one line that sounds super you, a real testimonial or example, and then you post it. Not think about it, not save it to drafts. Post it. Yep, we got homework, but it's money-making homework. This week, you're going to write one sales post using ChatGPT as your assistant. Write one email using ChatGPT for structure and flow. Sales post prompt. Write a Facebook post selling offer for audience using problem plus desire plus action. Make it warm, encouraging, and conversational. Email prompt. Write an email that starts with a story about feeling specific pain, shifts into hope and what's possible, introduces offer as a supportive next step. Audience. Describe audience. Tone, like a caring friend. Then you edit, you breathe on it, you make it yours, and you hit post and send. We're not leaving this in the notebook. Let me leave you with this. Copy that connects equals cash flow that continues. ChatGPT can handle the heavy word lifting, the rewrites, the say this 5 different ways work you bring, the story, the lived experience, the integrity and heart behind the offer. When those two come together, people don't feel hustled. They feel seen, understood, and invited. And if you're like, okay, Tikeja, I need help practicing this, not just hearing it, you already know where to tap in. onlinesuccessmadesimple.com support at onlinesuccessmadesimple.com, school.com/onlinesuccessmadesimple5033. That's where we drop replays, resources, and keep you from doing this journey solo. And we're not stopping here, okay? Because the next lesson in this series is social media mastery with ChatGPT. we're going to take all this juicy conversion copy and plug it into your daily posts, your hooks, your captions, and a simple 30-day content plan. This lesson helps you say it right. The next one helps you show up with it consistently. This is Tikeja from Online Success Made Simple, and I just want you to remember, you were never bad at writing. You were just trying to do it all alone from a blank screen. Now you've got a formula, you've got ChatGPT, and you've got us. If you're really about to use this and not just let your notes sit pretty, drop a fire emoji in the chat so I know you're not just watching, you're actually about to go convert somebody. I'll see you in your next post and inside the community.